Hey guys, welcome back to Howwerowe Cooks. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Jamaican style stew peas, and I'm going to be using pig's tail for this recipe. I'm going to be showing you guys all the ingredients that I'll be using today. So if it's your first time on my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, hit the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you guys do your Jamaican style stew peas. So right here I have my pig's tail. I'm gonna wash them with some vinegar and water, and I have my scallion, my thyme, and I have my Scotch bonnet peppers. I have my coconut milk and the star of the show, which is going to be some red beans, and I'm just going to be using some of these seasoning in there to add some extra flavor, some garlic powder, black pepper, and some pimento seeds. You're also going to need flour, guys, to make your little spinners, or some people just call them dumpling, but you will see what I'm talking in a minute. If you don't know what is called spinners, I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So I'm just going to rinse my pig's tail with some vinegar and water, and I'm going to do that 2 times. You can see the difference already. Look nice and clean and fresh. I'm just gonna move on to my peas. I'm just gonna rinse them nicely. So guys, after rinsing my peas, this is a pot that I'm going to be using. I'm going to fill it with half pot of water, as you guys can see here, and I'm going to put it on and let it boil for a minute. As soon as it starts to boil, I'm going to put the pig's tail in. So guys, right here I am just adding a teaspoon of salt, and as soon as it comes to a vigorous boil, I'm going to add a cup of water and then add my pig's tail. So now that the peas is boiling, I'm just going to add some water, just a little bit of water. Now I'm just going to add my pig's tail. So because this process is going to be very long, I'm going to add some seasoning so that the pig's tail can boil with some flavor, and I'm also going to add some creole seasoning in there as well. Whatever seasoning you have that you normally use, you can go ahead and add some to your pot to add some flavor while it cooks. I'm also adding some garlic powder and some black pepper. About a half a teaspoon. I'm just gonna cover that, and it's gonna take a while for everything to cook, so you're gonna be adding water, and I'll show you guys, I'll come back and show you guys when I'm adding more water to the pot. So guys, now I'm about to make my spinners, and all you need for that is flour, water, and salt. That's it. Need about just a little pinch of salt. Make a little bit more. So basically you just add water, gradually add your water until you have like a dense texture. Just gonna combine my flour, water, and salt until I have like a Play-Doh consistency. So this is what it should look like. I'm just going to cover it up until I am ready to use it. So for the spinners, guys, there's nothing to it. All you need to do is just pinch a small piece, roll it in your palms, and then you have your little spinners. Also guys, some people like carrots and potatoes in their stew peas, so if you're that person, you can go ahead and add it after you add your spinners. So for the pig still, guys, you know it takes a while to cook, so I did add 5 cups of water, like in 5-10 minutes intervals. So like every 10 minutes I add 1 cup of water for 5 times, and then when it becomes nice and soft and tender, then I add my extra seasoning like my thyme, my scallion, more pepper, and my coconut milk. Okay guys, so this is what the stew peas looks like right now. I'm just gonna let the sauce thicken up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna turn it off and put it on a plate and show you guys the result. As you can see, it's not as red as I would have liked, but because of the peas, the beans that I had was the light red beans. So if you're gonna make this and you want it to be extra red, you have to get the really red ones. So I've tasted it already and it tastes really, really good. Okay guys, this is the final product. This is what it's looking like. And if you guys love stew peas, this is how we plate it, with a lot of peas running around the rice. So let me know what you guys think. How do you rate this plate, Crystal?
Let's see how it tastes first. I'm just kidding, it looks delicious.
Okay, let me know what you guys think. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with someone you know loves stew peas, okay? Bye now. And if you haven't subscribed us yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Bye.